Hi everyone! Today we are going to present our final project, which is the Password Manager app. So for this project, we built an iOS mobile application that essentially manages passwords to other app accounts on a mobile device. With this app, we had two main goals in mind. One, we wanted to appeal to users by having a relatively easy to use and user-friendly application that allowed users to manage their many passwords for their many accounts. And two, we wanted these users to be using non-generic, unique, and complex passwords for these other accounts. So since the main problem we're trying to address here with this app is password security, for this app, we chose to implement different ways of verifying a user's digital identity as represented by different screens in our app. So for the design of our app, we created 5 main screens. The first screen is for login and security questions. So the first screen that will show up upon opening our Password Manager app is the login screen. So what users can do is they can just enter in their email and password to access this app, and from there they will be directed to another screen while they will be prompted to answer 3 security questions. This is the first and second layers of security for our Password Manager.
But wait, let's first backtrack a little bit. Let's say this is your first time using this application. Well, as a first timer, you must first make a new account solely for this app in order to gain access to its services. As you can see at the bottom of this login screen, we have a button for creating new accounts right there. This will redirect you to the sign up screen, where you can then enter your email address, create a master password for this app, and create at least 3 security questions of your own choosing for this account. After successfully logging into your account on our app, as a user, you will then be directed to a screen which displays all of the other app accounts that have been registered and are associated with your user account. From there, you can then either tap on one of these listed accounts to automatically sign in, or you can tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner to add new accounts to this list.
And this screen for adding accounts is pretty straightforward. Just enter in your credentials for the new account so our app can add it to the list of already registered accounts and manage it. So currently we're still working on refining our app's functionality. However, with this project, we hope to make users of our app aware of how important it is to have unique and complex passwords in order to keep their accounts secure. Our design includes 2 layers of security before allowing access to the master account, where a user may begin accessing their other accounts in the Password Manager. We hope that with this design choice, users will be able to realize that they do not have to necessarily sacrifice easier accessibility for security. In fact, with this Password Manager app, the only password they would really need to memorize is their master password in order to access this app in the first place.
For starters, let's say you have a generic sign-in app, in this case, demo app. So let's say we are creating an account on here since we don't have one yet. We've now successfully created an account on this app. Now let's go to our Password Manager app. You can either create an account here or sign in. Now it takes you to the security questions. Ideally, if time permitted, we would want to have more options for verification, such as 2-factor or Face ID. And so we've logged in. Let's say now we want to add in our account. We've successfully now registered our account. Once we click this account, it should now populate our username and password, and we can now log in. Another cool thing about our app is, let's say you have another instance of the same app, in this case, demo. If we click this instance of the second one instead now, it should now populate with this new account's information. Ta-da!